Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 1, 8 count.
This is week
3.
I think it's week 3. We did swing outs and circles, and y'all rocked it. It goes like this. Ba-ba, hey. Ooh, ooh, hey. Ooh, ooh, We'll show that some more, but here's how we worked up to it. Rock, step, triple step, bam. Just getting that flow from one thing into the next. Then we did rock, step, triple step, bam, bam. And everyone hated it because it feels terrible to stop. That's good. Because then we kept going. Rock, step, triple step, bam, bam, triple step. And we talked later after you did more about not being perfectly here, but not being perfectly here. Somewhere in between right here, yeah? So you take this little box and you make a parallelogram. It should feel like something that you get ready for the next thing. So when we do this, hey, 5, we get ready, then we go. And then we got the circle there. On the circle.
Followers, we talked about how when we're being caught, we're facing our partner. We don't want to flip out the right shoulder. We actually want to face a little bit in so they have something to catch here. And then when they make that step, it actually moves us.
And on the circle, you just ride that feeling. Once you get it, don't leave it. Stay in that feeling, yeah? Last thing, when we get to the end of that feeling, we have this. Leaders, don't change on one to this. Keep it right here, the same. Take a look. Rock, step, triple step. We got the feeling, and now I stay here. And then I go again. One time it's more linear, so I start at linear. One time it's more circular, so I start at circular. Look really good. We'll see you all next week.